isn't Baywatch.
You need bigger boobs. Nope, sorry, it's just not working.
Oh yes, recorded all of that.
Oh, I'm still going.
Oh god. It's going.
This is for all of her future hookups. If they're gonna hook up with her, they need to know the stupid shit she does.
What was the wieners? Where's the wieners? Yeah.
Oh god. They're by the pool. There was some right there in front of you, Shannon. They're over here.
Oh yeah.
Honey, she's got one in her pants. Are you gonna put one in your mouth? It's right behind you.
Oh really?
Damn that cigarette. She just needs one in her butt now.
Tell her she might do it. Oh my god.
Really? Oh my god. I got it all recorded too.
I did too. I got a close up.
Oh, I got your face.
Oh, that was fun.
That was better than a close up. I got your face.